Hello students, good morning. Today we will continue the same chapter, that is literary devices. Literary devices. Today is onomatopoeia. Spelling is very important. Remember, onomatopoeia. This is also a literary device. Words are groups in which the sound of the word conveys its meaning by imitating the sense. Repeat. Words are groups in which the sound of the word conveys its meaning by imitating the sense. Example you take. And the crash cacophony blared out from the sumac tree. This is taken from Vikram Seth's poem, The Frog and the Nightingale. So the crash cacophony, unpleasant, the noise, a sound word. Onomatopoeia, sound word. It produces some sort of sound, crash cacophony, sound of that frog. Blared out. Blared out is produced. That is also a sound. Second example is taken from Samuel Taylor Coleridge's ballad, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. This is a poem. So it cracked and growled and roared and howled. So the situation is the ship is at the South Pole. The ship is surrounded with icebergs. All of a sudden, the icebergs started splitting. So it cracked. The icebergs, whenever they got split, so cracked sound is produced. Growling sound, roaring sound, howling sound. So these are the words which produce some sort of a sound. That's why it is called onomatopoeia. It cracked, growled, and roared, and howled. These are the sounds. So onomatopoeia. And also that one poem you do have that rain. There also rain on the roof. There you will find that pattering sound of the rainfall. So that is also onomatopoeia. Let's switch over to next literary device, personification. Personification. What is personification? Personification is the poetic device, right? Personification is the poetic device under which a human character or personality is attributed or transferred to an inanimate object or a non-human being. Example. So by doing so, By doing so, the human qualities are transferred to that object. As those, and it would appear to a living see. Personification is the poetic device, literary device, under which a human character or personality is attributed to an inanimate object having no life or a non-human being. By doing so, the human qualities are transferred to that object and it would appear to a living human being. They have dialogues, they can speak. Example, you see that the ant and the cricket, that fable they have read in class 8, how they have the dialogues, they speak. They are not human beings, but they could speak. Other example you take, Mirror is a poem by Sylvia Plath. Mirror poem. Mirror is the name of a poem. Yes, it's a poem. Who is the speaker? Who is the narrator in that poem? Mirror itself. Mirror says, I am exact and silver. I have no preconceptions. So, what is I here? That is a mirror, non-living thing. Mirror says. How would mirror say? So here the qualities, the characteristics, the personality of a human being are transferred to that mirror, and throughout the poem, mirror itself is the speaker, as if a human being. Take another example. Brook by Lord Alfred Tennyson. Brook poem. Brook means a stream. Lord Alfred Tennyson. So Brook says, man may come, man may go, but I go on forever. In the poem Brook, written by Lord Alfred Tennyson, who is the speaker, who is the narrator? Not the poet. That is the brook. Like that of a human being, the brook narrates its journey, starting from its birth till it mixes with the sea. Man may come, man may take birth, man may go, man may exit, man may die, but I am eternal. I have no death. I am not mortal like a human being. I means the brook go on forever. Then next literary device, blank verse. Forms of a poetry. It comes under forms of a poetry. Blank verse. Blank verse is a poetic composition. It is a poetic composition. Poetic composition without any rhyme. Without any rhyme. The lines are arranged continuously in the regular stanzas. Example, one poem is prescribed by that Subramaniam Bharati, that is wind, there is no rhyme scheme. Or Julius Caesar, though it is a play, but all the plays of Shakespeare are written in the form of poems, having no rhyme scheme. The averages, as you like it, like that. Then we come to imagery. Imagery. That is important. Imagery is a literary device. Imagery. Imagery is a kind of descriptive language fundamental to poetry. An image can be evoked evoked means created. Evoked can be evoked to one of the five senses. One of the five senses. Fundamental to poetry, and it can be evoked to one of the five senses. It brings a visual image to a visual image. To mind. A picture, a description, a picture. Example, that is, my love is like a red rose. So, here the image is there. What is the image? Red rose. The picture of red rose comes to our mind. Then the brook. Effectively image the brook. The poem imagery is there, description. Then couplet, one is the couplet we have left. Couplet. It means two successive lines that rhyme with each other. And make one sense unit. One sense unit. For example, once upon a time a frog roamed away See these two lines are taken from Bikram Sen's poem, The Frog and the Nightingale. For example, once upon a time a frog, so it means two successive lines, one after another, successive lines that rhyme with each other, and make one sense unit. Once upon a time a frog, the first line ends with frog. Second line ends with bug. Croaked. The sound made by the frog is called croaked. Croaked away in Binglebog. Binglebog is a marshland, wetland, where the frog croaks day and night. So, Binglebog. So, frog, a. Bog, also a. So, this is called couplet. Some. Other example, A, then B, C, D, if they have the same sound, so this is called couplet. Couplet. And what other things left? Lyric is a form of poetry. Lyric, Lyric, lyric. There are a number of forms of poetry which are included in your course that I am dealing with. So, lyric, no? Yes, lyric. 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 Lyric is a poem set to music originally sung on the lyre. Originally sung on the lyre. Lyre. Musical instrument. It is characterized by its light, rhythmic structure. See, look at the board. This is last. Lyric is a poem set to music, originally sung on the lyre. It is characterized by its light, rhythmic structure. It may simply be a brief expression of a mood or state of a feeling. You can take the example of a lyric, The Brook, written by Lord Alfred Tennyson, then The Frog and the Nightingale, or William Wordsworth's Daffodils. So The Brook by Tennyson, The Frog and the Nightingale, The Frog and the Nightingale by